Election Commission of the India announced the polls date in 2024 Lok Sabha election are the general election in India, and it will be conducted in 7 phases, and it will start from the 19th April 2024 and it will end on 4th June 2024. That would be the counting day, and it was started from the 19th April. It was the first phase, and second phase would be 26th April 2024, and then after third phase would come 7th May 2024, and then after fourth phase would come on 13th May 2024, and fifth phase would come 20th May 2024, and after that sixth phase would come 25th May 2024, and seventh and last phase would be the 1st June 2024, and on the 4th June 2024 that would be the counting day. On that day the India would get the new government of the India. And in this way, Election Commission of the India announced the date of the world largest democracy. And after that, the Chief Election Commissioner, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, conducted a program with the press conference, and they also said that they also give the more and more burden on the 4M in the election. The first M, that is the muscle, that is the body structure, a robust body structure of a man, and it will practically in the election, that is called Bahubali. And then after, muscles would not conduct the free and fair election in the country. So Rajiv Kumar give their importance to eradicate the muscles type tendency in the election. And after that, the second M came, that the money. With the effect of the money, with the influence of the money, no voters would franchise their vote to any political party or any individual candidate. So that's why we need to understand muscles and money. And then after, third M has come from the misinformation. Misinformation is not any kind of information. It will create only hurdle, only conflict among the voters. So no any misinformation would be spread by us through the social media, through the print media, and through the any kind of the media. So we need to understand it. And fourth M, that is come from the Model Code of the Conduct. And Model Code of the Conduct, that is a guideline that was issued by the Election Commission of the India during the election. Through that way, India can conduct the free and fair election among the voters to form the new government. So it is guided by the Election Commission of the India in any kind of the election that was conducted into the India. And then after, actually, Model Code of Conduct that was generated the first time in 1960 in Vidhan Sabha elections. But after that, the success of the Model Code of Conduct in 1960 Vidhan Sabha election, in 1962, the general election, Lok Sabha election, it will also once again repeated by the Election Commission of the India. Then after, from that time, by now, the Model Code of the Conduct, it is very necessary step that was taken by the Election Commission of the India through the starting of the election, through the issuing the date and notification of the election. And after that, in this 2024 Lok Sabha election, general election, total 96 crore 80 lakhs voters would cast their vote to form the new government into the India. And then after, in which 49 crore and 70 lakhs that are the male voters, and 47 crore 10 lakhs, these are the female voters who would franchise their votes. And a new declaration done by the Election Commission of India in this election, more than 85 years old persons, male or female, would cast their vote at their own home. There is no need to go to the polling station, and it will be arranged by our polling officer. And after that, a news came from the Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal, CM of the Delhi, they have taken the bail from a court of the Delhi, that is called Rauj Avenue, for the violation of the Indian Penal Code section 174, not to appearing before the ED after issuing a number of the summons for the discussion, for the probe to underway going on the liquor schemes in Delhi.